Assalamu alaikum and hello. This is Doug coming to you from Cairo, Egypt. Cairo train station with my friend Azzam. And we're about to go get on the sleeper train if we can make it in time. And just look at all this craziness. Here we go. Yalla. Okay. Actually, this building is very beautiful. How do we find it?
We should ask anyone here.
Okay.
Give me the ticket.
Did he tell you? We're good? This is it?
Yeah, this is it.
Oh, thank God.
I think we are too late.
We're okay, we're okay. We're here.
We just arrived.
Oh my God.
In time.
Yes. Sleeping car, yes.
Okay, hello, welcome.
Okay, guys. So we made it to our cabin. Just in the nick of time. Check it out. I'm gonna give you the tour here. It's about 6 feet by 5, so. Okay, here it is. Azzam, say hello.
Hi, everyone.
This is seats down here, and there's the bed up here. And basically, I think at some point after we eat dinner, they're going to convert this space under here into a bed of some kind. Yeah, it'll become a bed. Ah. Okay, Azzam just found the ladder. What's here? We have the little sink station, cup holders, and the mirror. Hello. Yeah, it comes with soap. Sink works, okay. There's some space to hang a jacket here. Door closes there. And you can see up here some storage space to store your bags. It's very tight, but the train should start moving soon, and then we will continue the adventure. Oh, mood lighting. Other features include some kind of radio. Oh, okay. Wait, was that a light? Okay, light. What was this? Is this the AC?
It's not working.
It might be the AC. We don't know if it works.
This is the radio.
And this is the radio, I think, for like announcements from the train. Up here by the top bunk, you have a tiny little light. In here, there is a plug to charge your stuff. That's pretty much it. I'm sitting on the seat right now. One of the beds is already made, and you can kind of sit under here, and it's like a little cave. All right, guys, so we are moving. Azzam, how are you feeling?
Excited.
Excited.
So much.
Me too. Basically, the way this works is you can either book your own cabin, and when you're a foreigner, that costs $120 US, or if you're with a friend, it costs $80 US to book one bed, and then there's Egyptian price Masri, which costs like $20 US, I think, for an Egyptian for one bed. So basically, we have a man here who's kind of the attendant, really nice guy named Ahmed, and he brought us our food. So this is the breakfast box. We'll probably open that tomorrow morning. And then there's the dinner box, and I'll open that in 1 second. And then here is the call button if we want to call Ahmed. And basically he said we can call him as soon as we want to turn the lower level into a bed. He'll come and make it up for us. And then we also will get woken up by Ahmed tomorrow. He said we can either choose to be woken up like an hour or a half hour before we arrive in Luxor. And it's supposed to take about 9 hours, he said, assuming there's no delays, which, you know, obviously could happen. Okay, guys, and here is the dinner box that's included with the ticket price. So we got, what are these, just potato chips? We got an apple juice box, nice. Got yogurt, oh wow, okay. 3 of these sandwiches, which I think it's chicken, but I'm not really sure. So we got 1, 2, oh, and then there's a cheese one. Yeah, chicken. 2 chicken and 1 cheese, I think.
This is a Turkish cheese.
Turkish cheese, fancy. You get a tomato ketchup packet, some olives. You love those. You can have mine. Let's see. You got the cutlery that you need, and you also get this like little chocolate cake. So this is basically like an airline meal, like an airplane meal. Actually, it's kind of better than that. You get chips, you get juice, you get yogurt, you get olives, 3 sandwiches and chocolate cake, and a ketchup packet. So not bad. All right, let's try it out and see how it tastes, yeah? Let's try a sandwich. I'm gonna try the chicken one. Is it good? It's okay. So it's basically like chicken fingers in a piece of bread. Tastes like chicken fingers in bread. Food review. So far so good. Pretty normal. What do we think, guys? Do you like my, is this Nubian hat?
Yeah.
A Nubian hat. Check it out. Azzam and I have matching Nubian hats, so we'll probably wear these together at some point, walking around Luxor or something. It's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to go walk around this train, look at what the bathroom looks like, and look at the cafe car, and just kind of explore the layout so you can get an idea.
Yeah.
Alright, yalla. Alright guys, so you come out into this hallway, and here are like each of the cabins. So we are in beds 20 and 19. And should we go this way? Yeah, so here's the bathroom, let's check it out. Honestly, it's not as bad as I was expecting. You got the sink here with real soap, paper towels, dryer that doesn't work. And you got a toilet there with toilet paper and even bags for if something really bad happens. I think this is where the attendant sleeps. There's an oven there and coffee and tea stuff. All right, to the cafe car we go. Yalla. It's okay, go, go. It's a very bumpy ride so far. Hey, we made it. Okay, and we made it to the cafe car. What do you think? Let's check it out. So that's pretty much the train, guys. It's not fancy, but it's like the nicest option for getting from Cairo to Luxor and Aswan other than flying, which would be more expensive. So surprisingly, I thought the prices on here were going to be like insane, but this bottle of water, which is a big one, you know, I think it's 1 liter, costs like 5 Egyptian pounds on the street, which is like 30 cents. But here on the train, it only costs 10 pounds, so like 60 cents. So pretty good. And you just gave me this as a treat. I think it's coconut and nuts. Very nice. Great hospitality, Egyptian hospitality. Very full.
19 عربية كمان. اوكي عشان قعدنا نخبط عليها كتير. معلش. اتفضل يا فندم. Sorry.
No problem.
That's okay. السلام عليكم. ماشي يا ماما. Sorry, that's okay.
No problem, thank you.
You're welcome.
Very tight quarters in here. Sometimes you have to wait when the door opens. Here we go. This is us? Ah, home sweet home. All right, guys, so now we're turning the lower bed into a bed. Ahmad is gonna help us, and we're very thankful. Whoa.
Night, and I hope you enjoy.
Shukran. Thank you so much. Now look at that. We got the ladder up to the upper bed, and we got the lower bed. Perfect. Give us a dance, maybe? guys, party's over. It's time to go to bed on this very shaky train. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get a couple hours of sleep, and we'll see you in the morning. Good night. All right, it's 5:30 in the morning. We're awake. How are you feeling, Azzam? Me too. I want to sleep more. So, Mr. Ahmed brought us tea. Oh, that's so hot. We have about a half hour until we get there. We just have to gather our things, and then we'll get off the train and go to the hostel and hopefully sleep more. Yeah. Inshallah. Let's drink the tea and then we can clean up. And breakfast. Yeah, and breakfast, I forgot. So here's breakfast. You got a croissant. It's some kind of like pound cake or something. Strawberry jam, bread roll, some feta cheese, and one of those laughing cow cheese, I think. So that's breakfast, and we're almost to Luxor, and then the adventure continues. You good? Ready to go? All right.
Welcome to Luxor.
Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you very much.
You, sir.
Thank you. All right, and as the sun comes up, we have arrived in Luxor.
Yeah.
Now let's try to go to the hotel and sleep more.
I don't want to sleep more.
You don't?
Yeah. I know you give me.
I gave us some sleeping pills, but you slept a little bit there. I woke up at one point and you were asleep.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You give me the sleep pills, and I find myself that I just wanted to smoke cigarette.
Azzam doesn't want to sleep more, but I kind of do, so hopefully we can at least relax and like shower at the hostel after that long journey. But actually it ran right on time. We got here about 6 a.m. so yeah, I'm impressed. All in all, a good experience, and I would recommend it. Yeah, it's 5:55 right now. So I think that's it. We're gonna head to the hostel, and then we got more videos coming from Luxor very soon. All right, well, I thought the video was over, but as we were driving away in the taxi, I got a call on my Egyptian cell phone, and gave it to Azzam to pick up because I can not speak Arabic, obviously, and he had left his cell phone on the train, and Ahmed was nice enough to call us immediately. So Azzam took off running towards the train, and now we're waiting for him to see if he got the phone before the train left. Did you get it? Yes!
Remember the lawyer?
Yeah? He found it?
He is the man. I cannot check my purse. He called me on my phone to ask me where I will go to. So Ahmed find the phone.
Oh my gosh. Ahmed is the best.
Yeah.
Wow. Good work. Okay, yalla. And now our train journey is complete. Ma salama. Bye bye.